Isang araw matapos isumite sa Malacanang ang pangalan ng mga rekomendado ng Judicial and Bar Council na maging ombudsman, inanunsyo na ang napili ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ang kasalukuyang Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla.
As Ombudsman, Remulla is expected to uphold transparency, strengthen anti-corruption measures, and ensure that justice is administered fairly and efficiently.
Sa 1987 Constitution, tinawag ang ombudsman bilang protector of the people o tagapagtanggol ng taong bayan. Layo nitong maging corruption prevention arm ng gobyerno at kasama sa trabaho nito ang pagsasampa ng kaso laban sa mga tiwaling opisyal. Sabi ni Presidential Communication Office Secretary Dave Gomez, inaasahang itataguyod ito ni Remulla.
There will be no sacred cows, no exemptions, and no excuses. Public office is a public trust, and those who betray it will be held accountable.
Papalitan ni Remulla si dating Ombudsman Samuel Martirez na nagretiro noong Hulyo. Ang kanyang appointment, hindi rin kailangan ng confirmation ng Commission on Appointments. Pero sa confirmation hearing kanina, ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Jose Mendoza bilang miyembro ng JBC, tinanong siya kung bakit isinama si Remulla sa shortlist. Sa ilalim kasi ng JBC rules, hindi maaring manominate ang isang may kasong kriminal o administratibo. Matatanda ang sinampahan ni Senadora Amy Marcos si Remulla ng reklamo sa ombudsman kaugnay sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Surely you're aware that the pending cases were not merely administrative, but in fact criminal.
We are aware of that, but he was able to obtain a clearance.
Tanong naman ni Senador Rodante Marcoleta na konsidera ba ang sworn opposition na isinumite niya at ni Davao City Acting Mayor Sebastian Duterte laban kay Remulla.
What I heard yesterday was the argument that it refers the complaint refers to the same act which was in a complaint previously dismissed by the ombudsman.
The majority took light of the opposition of a senator of this republic, Mr. Justice.
That is a fact, Your Honor.
Depensa naman ng Malacanang, dumaan sa proseso ang nomination ni Remulla bago ito napili ng Pangulo.